Hi everyone, I'm Bucktool, and today we will make a cute wooden black cat ornament that will be perfect for Halloween. Is the wood ready? We need some wood, like pine or birch, as these are very easy to carve. Outline the black cat in the wood and then cut it into shape with a saw. Now we use Bucktool's bench drill to drill an eye hole for the black cat so that we can easily attach resin eye patches. Aim the drill bit at the center of the eye and gently start the bench drill. Pay attention to make sure the hole position is accurate. When you're done, gently clean up the sawdust and ensure the eye holes are clean. Look, the black cane has the eye holes repaired. Finally, sculpt the black cat's nose and whiskers. And look, the detailed black cat is now personalized. Belt sander the edges and paint the black cat for a more sophisticated look. Finally, add some little decorations like pumpkins and collars to give your black cat a Halloween feel. Now you can try it too. Use Bucktool's tools to create your own unique black cat decoration. Visit our website and use code Halloween5 for 5% off. Tell me your favorite black cat design in the comments.